Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. MPD-TRU in coordination with Hillbrow SAPS and JMPD CCTV successfully apprehended 2 suspects linked to a double murder in Berea on 17 December 2025. The suspects were traced using intelligence, leading to the interceptions of Casamia building in Hillbrow. Recovered the evidence including an AK-47 with 14 rounds, a pistol with 11 rounds, 2 magazines, 3 cell phones, and the getaway quantum vehicle. All items were booked under SAPS 13 and vehicle taken to Areton VIS. Uncomeka kakhulu umsebenzi owenziwa ngamaphoyisa lapha endaweni yaseJohannesburg. Alisaqhubeka lolu daba luthi a shooting in Berea involving a quantum vehicle led to a driver's arrest at Bree and Nugget. Intelligence guided officers to Benoni, resulting in the successful arrest of the actual suspect and recovered of the rifle in Rosettenville. This operation highlights decisive intelligence-led enforcement and zero tolerance for violent crime. Uma amaphoyisa esebenza kanje kwazi ukusithatha i-CCTV akwazi ukutracer labo bantu labo, lokho nje kusipha ithemba lokuthi udaba luka DJ Warras lothi liphela iviki kuyobe kukhulunywa ezinye indaba, ngoba kuyabonakala ukuthi amaphoyisa anawo amandla. Angazi ukuthi kwezinye isikhathi konakalaphi, kodwa nje uma ubona indaba ezinje ziyakhuthaza kakhulu, ngoba inkabi zilibulela izwe lakithi, hayi kancane. Inkabi ikhanda intandane engenasidingo. Ukuboshwa kwazo have kungijabulisa kakhulu ngempela. Futhi ngiyangithi mina ngiyafisa ngathi inkabi, ngathi amaphoyisa amayezifuna zithathe lezi bhamu lezi zibhekise emaphoyiseni. Angazi mina ukuthi izenzeleni ukuthi zisarende ngoba bekufuneka zona ithathe lezi bhamu zizibhekise emaphoyiseni, ngoba labantu laba bayawuhlupha umphakathi. Yazi ukudubula umuntu ongaxabene naye uvela umdubule nje, sizokhuluma ngodaba lika DJ Warras nama-building ahijackiwe, kodwa nje bengisakhuluma le. The Hawks in Parabulwa and Musina Limpopo have arrested 8 suspects and a company for alleged corruption-related offences. It is alleged that between January and May 2025, the officials from the Department of Labour received information about the fraudulent activities that took place in their Tzaneen-based office. Investigations revealed that officials colluded with the company to submit Unemployment Insurance Fund UIF fraudulent claims to the department on behalf of beneficiaries in exchange for gratification. As a result, the Department of Labour suffered a loss of over 825,000 rand. The 8 appeared before the Tzaneen Magistrate Court on Wednesday, 17 December 2025, facing charges of fraud, corruption, theft, and money laundering. They were granted bail between 2,500 rand and 20,000 rand. The matter was postponed to 20 February 2026. Ngoba ngihlezi ngisho buncane kabi ubugebengu obungenzeka uma ama-officials bengesingxenye yabo. Buncane kakhulu ubugebengu obungenzeka. Njengoba ubona la bebedinga ikhampani ethize ukusebenzisana nayo. Lento ibhlungu ngoba labantu laba esibathembile ibona abatholakala beyingxenye yobugebengu. Ngake ngabuza ngelela ngathi ngoba bengaholi imali eyanele na. Wathi omunye uma ngabe izathi leso wayi bengajontshi bonke ngoba phela khona amaphoyisa right, akhona ama-officials right, angajontshi. Umuntu nje usuke yena ezikhethela ukuthi ufuna ubugebengu. The Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Police Department, EMPD Cable Theft Unit officers in conjunction with Gauteng traffic police officers arrested a 26-year-old male suspect while patrolling the area. Officers received a tip-off about an individual in possession of traffic lights. Officers proceeded to a residence on Belinda Street in Kredi section, Katlehong. Upon arrival, the suspect was found in possession of 5 traffic lights, 3 South African ID documents, and 3 driver's licenses not belonging to him. The suspect was arrested and detained at Katlehong Police Station facing charges of possession of stolen property. He is expected to appear at Palm Ridge Magistrate Court soon. Yasola ukuthi la kuhlala khona le ndoda kuyakhanya kube red, kube orange, kube green. Ukhipha ama-traffic light. Ukuthi nje into emenza ukuthi azakhipha ama-traffic light inkinga yini ngoba uvandalizer iproperty yomphakathi. Lama light enzela ukuthi iy'moto zikwazi ukulawuleka ngokwe-traffic. Zikwazi ukuma ezinye kuhambe ezinye. Manje le yenziwa lo muntu uvandalizer iproperty yomphakathi. Benze kahle bambopha. Yazi benze kahle. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi la hlala khona nje kuyakhanya kube green, kuphinde kube orange, kuphinde kube red. Utshontsha ama-traffic light. Lo muntu akekho right. Manje ama-license ayi-6 abantu abahlukene afunani kuye? Hayi lo muntu kunobugebengu obuningi akubo kahle kahle. Asidlula phambili sithatha udaba lokugcina luthi the Commissioner of Border Management Authority, BMA, Dr. Michael Masiapato has confirmed the significant disruption of smuggling of illicit goods and food items which took place yesterday, 15 December 2025 at the Beitbridge port of entry. Since the start of 2025-26 festive season operations, the BMA has recorded a successful interception with more than 350,000 rand worth of non-perishable foods items as well as 210 car batteries weighing 2,063 kgs and valued at over 412,600 rand. The BMA also intercepted H100 Hyundai truck with value of 159,000 rand. These interceptions were made successfully through the deployment of advanced multi-faceted surveillance technology in operationally vulnerable areas. Yabona lama drone uma bengaqinisa kuwo, ile corruption eyenzeka lapha eBeitbridge ingaphela futhi kuwo wonke amabhoda, funa bawafake kuwo wonke amabhoda. Ngoba abantu beqa nje umathanda ngogudi beqala ukwa-introduce kwaboshwa abantu abaningi kabi, kwaboshwa ngisho driver bamatekisi ngoba driver bamatekisi bafike bame kwi-spot la behla khona labantu. Uma imoto isayobamba ulayini la izoseshwa khona abantu badlule ku-immigration, laba banama-passport, laba benqamula ngeenyawo la kunqanyulwa khona bese kuditshana ngaphambili. Ngenxa-ke yama-drone bawakhiphe bayibheka lento, baboshwa odriver uma bebonakala bema ukuthi othi udriver ufike kuqala labantu bengakafiki, uma bevela bagibela emotweni baboshwa ngisho odriver, kwaboshwa ngisho imoto. Sakushayela ihlombe sathi ayasebenza lama-drone, kodwa ngoba kusebenza abantu and le corruption nokungena kwabantu laba bangena ngokungekho semthethweni bangena la eSouth Africa ngoba kunabantu abathize ababanikeza imali. Kukweqeka kalula, kodwa uma sekwenzekile wabanjwa afuna ukukhipha imali bazokudedela. Iyona nje into esihluphayo. Into esihluphayo nje eSouth Africa iyodwa i-corruption. Uma kungase kunqandeke i-corruption, le nkinga esinazo zingaphela. Angiyibambe le video. Ngizokhuluma udaba lolu lama-hijack buildings kwi-video elandelayo. Ngoba uma ngase ngiliqale manje, le video izoba yinde kakhulu. Kanti bengifisa ukulikhava. Kodwa silibone kwi-video elandelayo.